So we always hold the bow with our right hand. This is bow hand, and left hand is the violin hand. No matter if you're righty or lefty, it's always like that. And I marked where the bow meets. Pinky on the tip, and that joint, and index finger there, and thumb. First, put the middle and the ring fingers marks on the bow stick. Second, hug the bow. Third, make 2 side windows. 1, 2. Not in the middle. Number 4, put just your pinky on the bow. Number 5, your thumb should meet the middle finger here with L shape. So this is how we hold the bow. And there are 4 checkpoints. Number 1, did you curve your pinky like rainbow shape? This is wrong shape, but like C shape, not I shape, C shape. Did you bend your thumb? Is this good? No. L thumb. Can you see a mouse hole here? Not like a SpongeBob, but circle hole. And your hands should be very soft like a marshmallow. And touch it. Is it soft? Yes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and check. Again, touch, hug it, 2 windows, pinky, bend thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat more and more. I always tell my students practice 10,000 times. Good luck.